अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मैं हूं आपका टीचर मंसूर सलीम और इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश चैप्टर नंबर 7 स्ट्रगल फॉर एन एजुकेशन के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज। लेकिन एमसीक्यूज स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको बताता चलूं कि इस चैप्टर की लाइन बाय लाइन उर्दू एक्सप्लेनेशन की वीडियो भी चैनल पर अपलोड हो चुकी है, जिसे आप अपनी स्क्रीन के टॉप राइट कॉर्नर पे मौजूद आई बटन से एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। एमसीक्यू नंबर 1, द टेक्स्ट द स्ट्रगल फॉर एन एजुकेशन इज टेकन फ्रॉम up from slavery, the high spirit African American education, the Washington philosophy, and the correct answer is option A, up from slavery. MCQ number 2, what is the name of Washington's autobiography? Up from slavery, the high spirit African American education, the Washington philosophy, and the correct answer is option A, up from slavery. MCQ number 3, up from slavery is a biography, autobiography, travelogue, storybook, and the correct answer is option B, autobiography. MCQ number 4, what type of literary work is an autobiography? Fiction, non-fiction, poetry, drama, and the correct answer is option B, non-fiction. MCQ number 5, an autobiography is usually written by a fictional character, the author, a historical figure, a family member, and the correct answer is option B, the author. MCQ number 6, the autobiography from Up From Slavery is written by Booker T. Washington, E.W. White, Rolf Waldo Emerson, Gore Vidal, and the correct answer is option A, Booker T. Washington. MCQ number 7, when was Booker T. Washington born? 1856, 1865, 1875, 1885, and the correct answer is option A, 1856. MCQ number 8, when did Booker T. Washington die? 1915, 1925, 1935, 1945, and the correct answer is option A, 1915. MCQ number 9, where was Booker T. Washington born? Virginia, Georgia, Alabama, South Carolina, and the correct answer is option C, Alabama. MCQ number 10, what was the author's ethnicity? African American, Hispanic, Asian, none of them, and the correct answer is option A, African American. MCQ number 11, what did Washington advocate for African Americans? Education, industrial training, economic self-sufficiency, all of the above, and the correct answer is option D, all of the above. MCQ number 12, what did Booker T. Washington believe was the key to improving the lives of African Americans in the United States? Political activism, social integration, economic empowerment, legal action, and the correct answer is option C, economic empowerment. MCQ number 13, what was the name of the institution that Washington founded and led? And the correct answer is option C, Tuskegee Institute. MCQ number 14, from which point of view is an autobiography written? Third person, first person, second person, omniscient, and the correct answer is option B, first person. MCQ number 15, in my struggle for education, what does Booker T. Washington emphasize as the key to success? And the correct answer is option C, hard work and determination. MCQ number 16, how does Booker T. Washington describe his experience with discrimination in my struggle for education? And the correct answer is option B, as overwhelming and defeating. MCQ number 17, the narrator first heard about the great school for colored people at the church in Virginia in their town in the coal mine. And the correct answer is option D, in the coal mine. MCQ number 18, who were talking about the school for colored people when the narrator heard them? Two miners, the officers, the educationists, the builders. And the correct answer is option A, two miners. MCQ number 19, who were discussing about school during work? Colored people, miners, students, teachers. And the correct answer is option B, miners. MCQ number 20, the great school for colored people was located somewhere in Alaska, Virginia, Maryland, London. And the correct answer is option B, Virginia. MCQ number 21, the people of mixed European and African or Asian ancestry are called, and the correct answer is option B, colored people. MCQ number 22, the people of mixed European and African or Asian ancestry are called, and the correct answer is option B, colored people. MCQ number 23, the miners said that the school provided opportunities for, and the correct answer is option B, for poor but for worthy students. MCQ number 24, which type of students were studying in the School of Virginia? Poor, wealthy, workers, all types of students. And the correct answer is option A, poor. MCQ number 25, the school offered poor but worthy students opportunities to travel to Richmond, study, work, both work and study. And the correct answer is option D, both work and study. MCQ number 26, Booker T. Washington's ambition was to, and the correct answer is option B, go to Hampton School. MCQ number 27, the owner of the salt furnace and coal mine was, and the correct answer is option A, General Lewis Ruffner. MCQ number 28, who applied for the vacant position in the household of General Lewis Ruffner? And the correct answer is option B, the narrator's mother. MCQ number 29, at what salary did Booker T. Washington work at the house of General Lewis Ruffner? And the correct answer is option B, $5 per month. MCQ number 30, the narrator learned about Mrs. Ruffner's expectations that she wanted everything to be kept clean, done promptly, done systematically, all of them. And the correct answer is option D, all of them. MCQ number 31, what did Mrs. Ruffner value the most? And the correct answer is option A, honesty and frankness. MCQ number 32, what were as valuable to the narrator as any education he had ever gotten anywhere else? And the correct answer is option A, Mrs. Ruffner's lessons. MCQ number 33, the narrator decided to make an effort to go to Hampton. And the correct answer is option B, in the fall of 1872. MCQ number 34, the small amount of money that the Washington had earned was majorly consumed by his stepfather and family. The trip to Hampton, day-to-day expenses, none of them. And the correct answer is option A, stepfather and family. MCQ number 35, the distance between Meldon and Hampton is about, and the correct answer is option B, 500 miles. MCQ number 36, the narrator managed to travel Richmond by taking a bus, driving a car, begging rides, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, begging rides. MCQ number 37, Richmond is in the state of Virginia, Texas, Maine, Kansas. And the correct answer is option B, Virginia. MCQ number 38, how many miles is Richmond from Hampton? 50, 66, 82, 98. And the correct answer is option C, 82 miles. MCQ number 39, which city was 82 miles away from Hampton? Meldon, Richmond, Washington, Virginia. And the correct answer is option B, Richmond. MCQ number 40, the narrator reached Richmond in the early morning, in the noon, in the evening, late in the night. And the correct answer is option D, late in the night. MCQ number 41, what was the narrator's condition when he reached Richmond? And the correct answer is option A, tired, hungry and dirty. MCQ number 42, the narrator was completely out of money when he reached Hampton, Richmond, Miami, Austin. And the correct answer is option B, Richmond. MCQ number 43, the writer spent first night of travel of Hampton at, and the correct answer is option C, the sidewalk near the port. MCQ number 44, what did the narrator use as a pillow while sleeping under the sidewalk? A satchel of clothing, a book, a cardboard, his hands. And the correct answer is option A, a satchel of clothing. MCQ number 45, what did the narrator hear all night? And the correct answer is option C, the tramp of feet over their head. MCQ number 46, what did the narrator notice in the morning after hearing the tramp of feet all night? A hotel, a park, a large ship, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, a large ship. MCQ number 47, the narrator asked the captain to allow him to work on the ship to earn money for food, see the inside of a large ship, escape from Richmond, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, earn money for food. MCQ number 48, what kind of work the narrator did for the captain of the large ship? And the correct answer is option A, unloading of the vessel. MCQ number 49, what did the writer do to get money for breakfast? And the correct answer is option B, loaded the vessels. MCQ number 50, the captain of the large ship was a white man, black man, brown man, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, white man. MCQ number 51, the captain of the large ship seemed to be kind-hearted, handsome, intellectual, strict. And the correct answer is option A, kind-hearted. MCQ number 52, what did the narrator buy with the money earned from unloading the ship? And the correct answer is option C, food for breakfast. MCQ number 53, in Richmond, the narrator continued to sleep under the sidewalk in the ship, in the park, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, under the sidewalk. MCQ number 54. According to the narrator, the best breakfast he had ever eaten was of Richmond, Hampton, San Francisco, Chicago. And the correct answer is option A, Richmond. MCQ number 55. The colored citizen of Richmond held a reception for the author near. And the correct answer is option B, the spot where he slept the first night. MCQ number 56. The author thanked the captain of the vessel for his donation, kindness, determination, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, kindness. MCQ number 57. The author arrived in Hampton with a surplus of 5 cents, 50 cents, $5, $50. And the correct answer is option B, 50 cents. MCQ number 58. What was the author's main goal upon arriving in Hampton? To start his education, to find a job, to explore the city, to help people. And the correct answer is option A, to start his education. MCQ number 59. The author did not make a favorable impression upon the head teacher because he was in. And the correct answer is option A, a poor physical condition. MCQ number 60. What task did the head teacher assign to the author? Cleaning the cafeteria, sweeping the recitation room, painting the walls, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, sweeping the recitation room. MCQ number 61. The writer accepted the cleaning of recitation room because he wanted to take it as a challenge, impress the head, get accommodation, get proper food. And the correct answer is option B, impress the head. MCQ number 62. The author swept the recitation room once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. And the correct answer is option C, 3 times. MCQ number 63. The author dusted the recitation room once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. And the correct answer is option D, 4 times. MCQ number 64. Who did the author report to after cleaning the recitation room? The principal, the head teacher, the students, the janitor. And the correct answer is option B, the head teacher. MCQ number 65. The author said that the head teacher was a Yankee woman, aggressive woman, inspection expert, stern woman. And the correct answer is option A, Yankee woman. MCQ number 66. Yankee means that the head teacher was from the northern United States, very picky, very messy, good at her job. And the correct answer is option A, from the northern United States. MCQ number 67. The head teacher was a Yankee woman who knew just where to look for sweepers, cleanliness, dirt, a vacuum cleaner. And the correct answer is option C, dirt. MCQ number 68. The head teacher inspected the recitation room by, and the correct answer is option C, rubbing her handkerchief on the furniture. MCQ number 69. What was the head teacher's impression of writer after cleaning the room? Good, bad, lazy, unusual. And the correct answer is option D, unusual. MCQ number 70. The sweeping of the room was the author's college examination, psychological test, patience test, job requirement. And the correct answer is option A, college examination. MCQ number 71. The author's college examination was the sweeping of the recitation room, EQ test, his cooking ability, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, sweeping of the recitation room.